Hello, my name is Ronnie Leon Ochieng, and I'm participating in vCon TADHack. So I've come up with a conversational intelligence and auto-resolution platform. So basically, this is a comprehensive and real-time application. Mostly, this is a vCon app that analyzes customer service conversation in vCon format. So as we know, the vCon format is in vcon.json. So this is built for TADHack 2025. Yeah. So let me just take a quick recap on what makes my system special. So the first bit is the intelligent analysis. So we have real-time conversation intelligence with context awareness. So using the vCon JSON as the context, basically you're able to have the analytics are actually more picked from the vCon data, metadata, and we have automated resolution, so smart resolution templates and response suggestion on how to basically resolve some of the issues that will have been picked from the conversation. And then you have cross-domain adaptability, so the system is able to adapt to different domains, healthcare, e-commerce, logistics. So basically the system is built with that in mind. And then so some of the key features of the system include so there's the analytics dashboard component, which kind of gives a sense of the real-time metrics and performance insights. We have live conversation monitor, where there's like an instant coaching and emotion detector. So basically from the metadata we're able to get a sense of the emotion of the individuals who are engaging in the conversation. We have the vCon Explorer, where it basically just shows a comprehensive conversation flow between two participants on the application. And then we have an auto resolution engine, which is like an AI powered response generation. Yeah, so basically the architecture, the code stack is built in Next.js. Of course, you should see an UI, Richards for visualization. And so basically for the data processing bit, you have real-time vCon parsing. Basically right now we're using the vCons that were exported from 18th to 24th of May. And then we have audio transcription and data normalization, and having a way just to index the data. So basically that's a sense of that. And yeah, and then the data structures, so it's organized by time. We have matching file names, so that's the MP3 files and the JSON files, and the supported formats of course are MP3 or even .wav files. So yeah, and just to get a sense of the analytics and business intelligence, so this is just a pie chart to show the different things like the volume analysis. As you can see here, we have the quality metrics, and we have emotional intelligence, we have agent performance, and we have return on investment calculation. Basically the pie chart just shows the proportion that the different aspects actually take: volume analysis, quality metrics, yeah. And then so those are the 5 key areas actually that metrics are actually being provided. And then you have customization and extension, so we have domain adaptation, integration options, yeah, and we can do some configuration. So I'll jump straight into the demo. So I was able to build the system and deploy it. So this is how it looks, as you can see. So this is the conversation intelligence and automation resolutions platform. So basically, as you can see here, so we are at the analytics overview, basically getting the conversation metrics and insights. So as you can see, there's been 7 total conversations. The resolution rate is 86%. The average resolution time is 2.1 minutes. The customer satisfaction is 4.3 out of 5. So this is based on 156 reviews. So basically just giving you a sense of all this. And then you have the conversation volume, just to get a sense of the number of calls that have been received at different hours, and you get a graph of that. And then we have customer emotions, basically the calmness, frustrations, whether they're excited or confused, just to you kind of get a sense of the customer emotions. And then we have auto resolution performance, where in this case you can see the auto resolved of 85 and the manual of 15. So this is for the different things. Remember we had queries for shipping, maybe there's a technical issue, general. So you get a sense of the auto resolution performance. And then you have peak hours, top issues, agent performance. So basically, like using the vCon data, we're able to get statistics on different parameters like the peak hours when calls the highest, the top issues, the agent performance. So that's for the analytics overview. If you go to the real-time monitor here, you can see we have like active calls. Right now we have 11 active calls. Average wait time is 21 seconds. Resolution rate is 87%. Escalation rate is 8%. And then you can see active conversations. So we have Sarah Johnson, she's frustrated, and so the agent is Mike Chen. Intent, return, request, confidence. So basically, this one gives you like a real-time monitor where you're able to get the active conversation, the live analysis, the escalation alerts. Yeah, and then now we have the vCon Explorer, basically, which shows you the different vCons. So as you can see, there are quite a number of conversations. So we have the customer is Julie Kelly, we have agent David Rogers, the date, the duration, the intent, the emotion, the resolution status, satisfaction, and then you can even get to see the conversation. So you can see here, for example, you can play the audio, and so that's supposed to play. Yeah, so that's you can play the audio, and then you can get the transcript. So you can see, hello, this is David Rogers, how can I help you today? Customer, hi David, my name is Julie Kelly, I received the wrong item in my order. So yeah, basically that's it. And then if you go to the auto resolution, so you're able to see statistics on the auto resolution. So you can see the auto resolution rate, the conversation handles, the average response time, the customer satisfaction, and then you can also get to see the cross-domain intelligence. So for now, the use case we were given was for the yacht brokerage, but as time goes by, this is not dynamic, but you can see we have the e-commerce, healthcare, financial service, the SaaS and tech. So basically, this can be adapted to different domains. So basically, generally, that's it. So yeah, this is just a walkthrough of the solution that I've built for the TADHack, specifically the vCon TADHack organized by TADHack in partnership with Strolid as the sponsor. And I would like to thank the sponsors for this opportunity to take part in this. Yeah, and I hope I make it. Yeah, thank you.